Hi traders, Anthony here. I've just entered into this short position Atom Cosmos. I posted this trade setup into my Telegram group and my guys have already taken profit at this level here. They'll be trailing the rest of this with a stop loss. So what I want to do is close 80%. Then I'm going to show you why I took this trade and how successful this is. Have a look at these signals. They're generally pretty good, and I hand selected a few of these altcoins to scalp off these signals. Right, so these tell us when the market's overextended. And we take the trade. The best situation for these signals is when you see the market trending sideways. This is in most cases going to be a profitable outcome. Let me just close 80%. I'm going for 80% at about around here. So I'll just do that and then we'll get into the video. So I'm just going to partially close. I've got 10, so I'll just go 8, partial close. So there's $48 in the bag. That's not bad. We go back here. What we do now is we grab the stop loss and we pull it down. See how we're $30 here and I'm $48 in the money. If this stop loss gets taken out, I've made $18. This is 100% risk-free at this point. What I'll do is I'll pull this down and let's see what we can get out of it. I'm just going to let it sit here. It's a risk-free trade. Now have a look at these signals. There's a reason why I've chosen Atom, and there's a strategy with these signals. In fact, that one would have been, why would you not want these trades? Now, as I mentioned, in a sideways moving market, these signals are excellent. I tend to avoid them in a steep trend. If you keep an eye out for when the market's consolidating, Atom's actually a pretty good coin to trade these signals. Anyway, I mean, you can see how successful these are. I don't think there's going to be a loser in here. Look at that. And I mean, even this one closed here. I'm always looking to take 80% early and pulling the stop loss into be in the money. Even here I would have taken my 80%. 80% was taken here. Stop loss to break even. Depending on where your stop loss is, that could have been the outcome. Now Atom has a fair bit of volatility, and that's why I like this coin. A lot of volatility, and generally you're going to see, especially here, this whippy price action, and this is ideal for these signals. Look at this. That one was short-lived. This one was short-lived, and as I mentioned, we stay out of the trends. So while this is trending up, see, notice the trajectory here. All right, you can see it. See, if it's trading like that, avoid it. And I mean, once you start to see the market, I don't know, you may have missed that one, but it's going to be a lot better in a sideways moving market. In any case, it's still a winning trade. Seriously, I mean, how many of these signals have we looked at and we haven't seen a losing trade yet? You can gain access to the indicators, guys, by the way, and my tutorials, everything else. I would have avoided that given that it's trending up like so. Yeah, that one I would have taken. Sideways trending, I like to take these, and they're generally going to be pretty good. So that's the strategy, pretty much. You know, I mean, leaving a stop loss up here. Let's see if we gain a bit of traction with this. If it moves down, say down here, I'll pull the stop loss down a little bit, and you know, if we continue down, absolutely a winning trade. It already is, and then we'll trail it. So how I trail the stop loss will be, for example, if we took this trade and the stop loss was set up, see the cloud here? We've got these dots. I'll start off with the stop loss. Let's just say we took this trade. I'll start off with the stop loss out here, and then we'll be following these dots. Okay, so this is the stop loss level as the market moves. Now what I'll be inclined to do then is pull the stop loss in, so you've got the outer and the inner level of the cloud, and then I'll look to trail price just away from here, and then that would have been you know, where this would have closed. So that's the idea with this. Yeah, I mean, jump on board, guys. Link below the video, and that's my Atom trade for the day. Hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next video.